मैं रुकाता हूँ।
बैरिकेड पार मत करो।
नीचे बैठो नीचे बैठना पड़ेगा। लगा।
Hi. Hello. I'm really excited for my brother Akil, and I think we are here in full force to support him and enjoy the circus. I think Bollywood is doing great, so I think that we are kind of at power, you know, with Hollywood, or if not, maybe a little better, and getting there. So I'm proud of our industry.
Bollywood stars are ready to do anything that Hollywood is offering them. Whether it's a small role, Bollywood superstars like Bhumika Padukone or anyone of them. Whether it's a small role, they agree to do whatever they ask. Why is it? Why?
Honestly, that's not a question for tonight. Tonight we're here to be for Akil and for Circus, and we're very happy to be here. Thank you.
Yes, hello. All the best to Akil, Circus. I think another nightclub, another great place for Mumbai to hang out in. It's always nice, you know, I think Bombay needs the nightlife. I think it's just fabulous to have all these places here, which really give Bombay more options. And Bombay is a 24-hour city, so one of the places.
One more question I have is Hollywood the benchmark for Bollywood stars?
Is what?
Is Hollywood the benchmark for Bollywood stars?
Is Hollywood the?
Benchmark for Bollywood stars?
No man, as you're seeing, it's a global industry. I don't think there's a benchmark anymore. Look at our girls, they're doing so well. I don't think there's Hollywood, Bollywood anymore. Sooner or later, it's just going to be one wood, and we all are going to be happy under it.
But why are you obsessed with Oscars?
Well, we are obsessed with Oscars because Oscars defined a certain award that had a lot of credibility, and I think IFA is doing that as well. And it's okay to learn. You know, I think it's fabulous to learn. Learning is a good process, and we've come a long way, and God willing, we'll be really big the same way. Yeah, I love the song Sansar, I have to say. It's fabulous. Really fabulous. I can only talk about the movie once I see it.
So one more question I have, and the question is, do we lack ideas because we have to take...
Man, do you work for HT or Bombay Times or what is it? Because like your questions are incredible. You should work for Economic Times. Seriously, amazing questions for a nightclub. Like, okay, but anyway, what am I saying is that I think they're not relevant right now. Right now, my brother Akil has done something amazing out here. So let's see how it works. Thank you for all you guys to be here and support him. Thank you.
अरे जाने दो भाई, अरे जाने दो। क्या हुआ? नहीं लेने का है? दोनों पर लेने का लगाओ। अभिषेक। आमिया, आइटम का नाम आमिया। मेरा फ्रेंड है ना? बंदना, बाइट।
Hi guys. I'm partying after a really long time, so it's gonna be a lot of fun. Oh hi, Kesa. Yes.
How much of a party do you party?
Not really. I'm a very boring person. I don't party. I don't drink also. But tonight we are here to just support our friend.
Is Hollywood the benchmark for Bollywood stars?
What is that?
Is Hollywood the benchmark for Bollywood stars?
I don't know. Yeah.
Would you like to comment on this?
No.
Because we are obsessed with Oscars also. Why is it so?
I don't think we are obsessed. It's just the you know, the glamour, the beautiful women, and you know, the whole fun of dressing up and looking at the glamour world. I think that's what we are obsessed with, not the Bollywood or not the Hollywood. Yeah.
Your future projects? Anything?
No, not yet. I'm just got engaged, so I'm busy with that. I'm having a lot of fun.
So when is the D-Day, Mandana?
D-Day. So me getting engaged was quite a shock. So I'm kind of trying to actually believe, keep looking at the ring and saying, oh, I'm engaged. So another thing. I didn't plan for it. I mean, I didn't know, and I didn't even feel like my boyfriend is gonna propose to me, and suddenly it happened, you know. And I still can't believe, actually. Now I have to keep looking at the ring.
So, how did it propose and how did it happen?
Well, he took me for a one-day holiday in Shillong, Hilton Shillong, and I was like, he's kind of weird, you know. He was just behaving weirdly, and after dinner, then breakfast, he proposed me on breakfast. Yeah.
So, marriage this year or next year?
Probably this year. Yeah.
But will it be a destination wedding or?
I don't know. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, guys.
भाई सबको आ रहा है क्या? हाँ इसमें तो सबसे भारी तो लिस्ट 24 का बना है। हैंडल मिल रहा है क्या उठा के लो? अरे बाहर बैठ जा। बैठ जा। बैठी तो गए। और कैसे बैठी बैठ रहा है ना? बहुत बोल रहा है। नहीं क्या भाई? सोना पाई लगाओ क्या? सोनिया ले रही है? ये बैठ जा। लेना है गुम। दूँ क्या? मैम ये।
कहाँ बैठेंगे? Thank you. What am I wearing? I have no clue who I'm wearing. Absolutely no clue.
Very excited for the evening, Isha.
Very excited. I'm here to support Akil. He's a very dear friend of ours. He's like family to us. And he's opening a new nightclub. So we're here to enjoy the circus.
But Isha, Hollywood is only the benchmark for Bollywood stars.
Huh?
Hollywood is only the benchmark for Bollywood stars.
Not really. I think it's turning vice versa now.
But Bollywood stars ready to compromise with anything that Bollywood.
I can't hear you. The music is...
Bollywood stars are ready to compromise with anything that Hollywood offers. Whether it's just the films out of.
That is, each one has their own opinion. I mean, I really can't answer for anyone else.
Isha, but why all of us are obsessed with Oscars?
I think because Oscars has set a benchmark. It's one of the most prestigious awards, and they've maintained their standards over all these years. So, where everyone is obsessed with Oscars. We are not party freaks. We are here today for a change. I've stepped out because Akil is a really dear friend of mine. Otherwise, we enjoy chilling at home and calling our friends over at home.
What's coming up next in the pipeline?
Movies, well, right now, nothing as of now, but you never know. Looking forward to the future. As of now, I'm enjoying life with my husband.
Isha, one more thing if you would like to comment, your father and Rajesh Khanna ji, they were all the icons of Indian cinema when it started. Recently, Nasir said that Rajesh Khanna is perhaps a poor actor. What's your take on that?
I am no one to comment on that. I'm too immature to comment on that.
Thank you.
Sorry. सौम्या एक नहीं लिए ना? सौम्या एक तुम नहीं लिए ना? तुम बच्चे की जान ले लिए। रहेंगे बोलते।
Thank you.
Stunning in black, all get up for this night.
Thank you. Yeah, black's my color, yeah. I mean, it's simple I don't have to think so much, and it always works in the night. Yeah.
Okay, talking about black, you do have some grey shades in Kabul as well. What kind of a role is it shaping up to be?
Well, actually, I'd say I don't have grey shades. I have only black shades in Kabul. It's the first out-and-out negative role I've done in my career. And it's great fun because I never knew that. I've always heard that being bad was good. And now I'm finding out through Kabul that it is indeed very good.
With Kabul, you will also be taking on King Khan in the form of praise in the box office.
Yeah.
Concerned about the crash?
Not really, not really. I think, there are several occasions when two big films released together. And Hrithik and Shah Rukh are both huge stars. So I think a little bit maybe on the first weekend, one film will eat up with the other film's collection. But I think in the long run, according to me, it doesn't matter. It shouldn't matter. If both of them are good films, people will go and watch both of them.
We heard about Ronit suffering an injury while shooting. How is he recuperating well? Or
Yeah, he was fine the next day. It was a freak accident. In the scene, it's an action scene. I was tied up and he was supposed to come and rescue me. So I think उसका जो real life older brother syndrome है वो आ गया सामने और उसने कांच तोड़ने में कुछ पैडिंग वैडिंग नहीं पहना तो थोड़ी सी चोट आ गई थी. But he's fine right. My elder brother's reached a stage wherein every performance that he gives is fantastic. So I have to pull my socks and tighten my belt and just hope that I perform well and hopefully I will.
Is Hollywood the only benchmark for Bollywood stars?
Is Hollywood the only benchmark for Bollywood stars? I don't understand that question. I cannot answer it.
Rohit, how was it collaborating with Hrithik? How did you find him as an actor?
Hrithik, I think I've always said, I've hosted him on a lot of shows where I've been the host and he's been the actor. And I've always maintained that he's fantastic. He's everybody knows his looks and his talent. But what I realized while shooting for Kabul is that his sense of perfection and his sense for the smaller details is absolutely great. And I think in the coming days he will make a very fine director.
What are your upcoming projects?
Kabul. See you guys.
बैठो ना आप लोग खड़े रहो आप लोग
Yeah, I'm get up for the night. DJ Akil is a बहुत अच्छे दोस्त है मेरे, तो मुझे लगा मैं इसको support करूँगा. He's mentioned me about this club today, so I'm काफ़ी excited. एक new club in town, which is good. Hopefully मेरी एक फिल्म शुरू होने वाली है सितंबर में, उसका confirmation I'm waiting for. Then I will let you know about it very soon. It's a romantic thriller. When it comes, let them announce it. I'll let them announce it.
Bollywood stars की Hollywood ही benchmark है या कुछ और भी होंगे?
आप सबके लिए पूछिए, मेरे बारे में पूछ रहे हो?
In general.
इन जेलों में जवाब नहीं दे सकता क्योंकि मुझे पता नहीं दूसरे लोग क्या My perception is your script is your benchmark. मुझे लगता है ना, unless you're doing a remake of a certain film, वो भी एक benchmark होता है. पर
हमारे पास original ideas भी है कि that we can work on, that we can copy or take ideas from Hollywood.
क्या आपको नहीं लगता है original ideas है हमारे इंडिया में, बॉलीवुड में? तो फिर जो है, हाँ जी,
रेडीमेड मिलता है हॉलीवुड से, ऑलरेडी सक्सेसफुल है, ऑलरेडी फ्रेंचाइजी है, तो व्हाई नॉट?
बट हमारे भी ऐसे इंडिया में, हमारे देश में भी ऐसा होता है. साउथ में बहुत सारे ओरिजिनल फिल्म्स होते हैं जो रेडीमेड हिट्स होते हैं. यहाँ पे इंडिया में भी होते हैं, बॉलीवुड में भी होता है. तो आई थिंक यू कांट जनरलाइज.
But in short, I would like to add something more to
Well,
it.
such a stunning looking guy you are, is being single a good state to be in?
स्मार्ट क्वेश्चन.
But I hope you are happy here.
बोलना यार.
मुझे बताइए, being single a good state to be in, or would you rather be committed?
Yes, my mom is very nice. She's very well. Thank you. Thank you so much. Kujol?
Oscars.
My personal life is not here. I'm here for the club, for DJ Akil. So my personal life is not important.
But why are you so obsessed with Oscars?
मुझे लगता है तू obsessed है.
जैकी भाई, तो जैकी भाई
अरे
कैसे आप?
वेरी गुड.
एक ऐसी फिल्म जो कि हर किसी को अप्रिशिएट किया जा रहा है, हर जगह अप्रिशिएट किया जा रहा है. अभी आप प्रेजेंट क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
ऐसी फिल्म
जो हर जगह अप्रिशिएट बता रही है,
कौन सी फिल्म?
हर जगह अप्रिशिएट, क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
कौन सी फिल्म?
आपकी फिल्म
मदारी. मदारी अच्छा लग रहा है. यू नो दिस इज़ माई सेकेंड फिल्म. सरबजीत के साथ शुरुआत की थी, सो इट्स गुड. अच्छा लगता है जब आप काम करते हो तो लोगों को पसंद आता है. आई थिंक अभी हाई टाइम ये है कि नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं जो भी फिल्म में एक्टिंग करूँ वो भी लोगों को पसंद आए.
तो आगे आपके कौन से प्रोजेक्ट हमें देखने को मिलेंगे?
वो चल रहा है. वो मैं अभी डिस्क्लोज़ नहीं कर सकता. वो मैं डिस्क्लोज़ नहीं कर सकता, बट कुछ चल रहा है.
डीजे अकील के यहाँ पे हम सभी
हाँ?
डीजे अकील
या अकील एक्चुअली बहुत पुराना दोस्त है मेरा, 10 साल पुराना दोस्त है. सो उन्होंने बुलाया तो हम चले आए. हाँ?
But Jackie, for Bollywood star, Bollywood is the only benchmark that we have.
No, who said that?
But people are like, actors like superstars are ready to take any role that they get in Hollywood, whether it's like a 2-second or a 3-second role.
नो एक्चुअली क्या होता है कि वहाँ का वर्किंग कल्चर थोड़ा डिफरेंट है. यहाँ पे भी बदल रहा है. जैसे कि वेब सीरीज़ है, टीवी सीरीज़ है. पहले ऐसे होता था कि आप फिल्मों में एक्टिंग करते हैं, आप तो टीवी में एक्टिंग करते हैं. आजकल वो बेंचमार्क ख़त्म हो गया है. तो वेस्ट में भी ऐसा है कि अगर आप 10 मिनट का रोल करते हो और आपको रोल पसंद आ गया तो इट्स ओके. बड़े बड़े एक्टर्स वहाँ भी वैसा करते हैं. लियोनार्डो कैप्रियो ने जैंगो में 2 मिनट का रोल किया था और उनको ऐसे गोली मार दिया था जैसे कि कोई साइड एक्टर है. सो वैसा चलता है उधर. इधर भी ऐसे लोग एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं, तो आई एम श्योर इधर भी फिर वैसा ही होगा.
Are we lacking for ideas or something that we have to take their ideas and
नो नॉट रियली. आई डोंट थिंक. आई थिंक हमारा सिनेमा बहुत ही अच्छा हो गया एंड बहुत अच्छी अच्छी फिल्में बन रही हैं. सो टाइम लगता है. सी पीपल इन इंडिया यूज टू गो टू वॉच सिनेमा ओनली फॉर एंटरटेनमेंट. नाउ बहुत सारे लोग सिनेमा देखना चाहते हैं बिकॉज एंटरटेनमेंट तो टीवी पे भी अवेलेबल है और रेडियो पे भी अवेलेबल है. सो इट टेक्स टाइम फॉर थिंग्स टू चेंज.
why are we obsessed with Oscars?
Are we obsessed with Oscars? Yeah. Maybe because grass is always greener on the other side. So for example, मैं मलाला यूसुफज़ई से मिला था. मुझे ये खुश नसीबी हुई थी न्यूयॉर्क में, और वहाँ पे स्कारलेट जोहानसन चल के आई तो मैं उनसे मिला. ऑब्वियसली हर लड़का वर्ल्ड में स्कारलेट जोहानसन का फ़ैन होता है. तो मैंने उनसे कहा कि आई एम अ ह्यूज फैन ऑफ योर्स, आई एम फ्रॉम बॉलीवुड, आई एम एन एक्टर. So she said, Bollywood, I love Bollywood, I want to do Bollywood. So grass is always greener on the other side. So हमने Oscars के बारे में सुना है, so I'm assuming people want कि Oscars तक हमें जाना चाहिए. वहाँ जाएंगे तो लगेगा सेम ही है भाई. That's what I feel. Thank you.
वीडियो क्या विजुअल चाहिए देखो अजय, विजुअल चाहिए.
inside. I'm getting inside. Why are you? Ali, come inside now. Ali, I told you come inside. What? Boss. Come inside.